guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free me who loves to play with makeup. Of course, you've been here before. Welcome back. Today's video is a first impression / review of the Ciate Color Grunge palette. I had this for about 2 weeks now, and I'm just like, time to do something with this. Like, so many videos, you know, planning and everything, blah blah blah. But I saw this palette and I thought it was so beautiful. I only tell you, I think the price for this regular is $15, but I got a discount and the shipping was only $5. The shipping was only $5. That's, you cannot beat at all. So I only spent, actually this is about $10. So I think I spent about $10.50 for the order. You use Shop Pay and use that constantly, it adds onto money. So you get cash back, plus you can use whatever you have on the cash back thing and use it towards other sales or products you want. They also had a sale going on too for 4th of July, so that's why it's like $10.50 for me. But yeah, you know me, I like to save money, and I like good sales. So for the eyeshadow base I'm going to use is the Jumbo Eye Pencil from NYX. I love this stuff. It really does a great job of just use Creep, this light shade right here. This is really pretty. Sorry for the fingerprints on that. I like the size of the mirror. It's really good and good weight to it. So I'm going to use Creep. Nice and pigmented. I do like that. Really? Look outside. Okay, stand outside and hear this and watch and hear it. There you go. Yes, an hour. So that's, I like that pigment right there. As you can see, it matches my skin tone really good. I like that. So I really don't know what I'm gonna go for. I'm actually might go with Pixie. This is such a beautiful color. That green right there is such beautiful. I like that color. Oh, look at that green. I don't know if you can, sorry. I don't know if you can see that green, but that's a really pretty green. The formulation on this, or the first impressions on this, really, I like the color. I like it. It's easy to blend, easy to work with, and doesn't look like really muddy with that brown, and that just gives me a good first impression with this. Like, I like that. I mean, I really do. Go with Grunge. With that, I want to make it more like a green, grayish color. I'm going to use Grunge right here. So with the light, this Grunge. It looks like a dark, I don't know. Oh wow. Oh, look at that color. I like that color. I'm going to go back to Pixie just to blend that dark gray out. Actually, with the shimmers, I'm not going to go with a pressed glitter when I'm trying out new formulas or anything like that. I don't want to use the glitter just yet until I figure out how the formula is with the shimmers and anything like that. That's when I do the next glitter, I'm using the shimmers. I'm going to use Oasis. I think this is a nice dark green olive. And I also don't want it to be like a really, like you don't really, like, you know what I mean? Ooh. That's a really pretty shade. I like the shade. Not any fallout, very minimal of it. Okay. Then eyeliner. I'm gonna go with eyeliner and put my mascara on, and then I will be right back with the finished look and give you my, I think I just already give you what I really thought about this palette, so I'm gonna do just, yeah, be right back. So I'm back with the finished look. I really do like this formula of City Color. I really do. I cannot wait to try out more palettes from them, but right now we're gonna talk about the Grunge. The Grunge palette is really beautiful. As like I said, I forgot to mention about these swatches, so it's going to be up here for you to see. I think this pigmentation for this is quite beautiful. It's easy to manipulate the colors. It's easy to blend. It has pigment blends and it does a really great job. I really do like that. So I do give this 10 out of 10 for the colors I've used. I am going to play with more of these colors. I definitely want to play with the gray tones. I want to play with the blues. I want to play with every color I can get a hold of, because this will be my fall palette. You want into if you, this is going to be my fall palette, I think, all year long, you know. But if you like grunge colors, you like cool tone colors, I think this palette is for you. If you like affordable palette, affordable brand, doesn't cost arm and a leg, I think City Colors is one to go. I've tried other products for them. I've tried their brow products and I really do like that one. I've tried a blush for them. I really do like I said, I never tried eyeshadows before until now, and I really do enjoy them. So there's minimal fallout, very minimal, hard to notice, no kickback, nothing like that, and I think that's phenomenal. Especially the pigmentation you get from these colors. So yes, so like I said, if you like grungy colors, this is a palette for you. If you like cool tone with a mix of a little bit of reds, this is a palette for you. Like I said, all around, I think this palette is for you. I think it's worth the money. So yeah, so this is it for today's video. I hope you do like the video, you like this review. Make sure you hit the like button. If you want to be part of the Makeup Addict family, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're drama free and judgment free here. We welcome everybody here. And of course, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. I do go live every Monday at 12 p.m. for this summer, and I do go live on Fridays at 9 p.m. So I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye!